Today we're going to learn how to make an origami man face. Origami man. Now, you need square pieces of paper. If you don't have any, then I'm going to show you now how to make one. Take a regular sized printer paper, or whatever you have around that's regular sized, and you can fold it this way. And then, if you're a child, get an adult to help you. Scissors are dangerous. You're going to want to cut off the extra flap. When you do that, you'll end up with square sheets of paper. With a square sheet of paper. Now, to do this, fold your paper in half this way, fold it in half the other way. Unfold it. And now we're going to take the top here. Depending on how you make your folds at the top is how your man will turn out. It can be quite different depending on if you fold it, say, here, or if you fold it down here. So we're going to fold it down, and then we're going to take sides here. We're going to fold it over to the point here, and then just right over like that. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Like that. That looks pretty even to me. Okay, and now I'm going to turn it over. We're going to want to fold over to the edge here. And same on the other side. Fold over, and now we're going to want to take fold these ones in. Right over to the line. Fold this one over to the line. Yep. And then we're gonna, now you don't necessarily have to fold it over the line. You can fold it less, and it'll also change the structure of how your character is. So you don't need exact, but just fold the same on each side. So like I got this one a little off. It'll end up making it a little uneven on each side. So anyways, now we fold this up. Doesn't have to be all the way, just experiment with it. And then you flip it over, and you got a face here. So we're gonna just draw on some black hair here, a little bit of black hair up here, a little bit on the side here. Now you can see what I mean by if your folds aren't even, they won't be even on both sides, and it'll make it look off. So that's why you want to make sure your folds are always nice and even. You can see the two differences right here. But anyways, now I'm going to draw on some eyelashes, some eyeballs, and a nose, there you have it. You have a crooked man. Now if you want to add to that, you take another piece of paper, and let's say you want to make him an outfit. I'm gonna just quickly color this whole page so it's got some color on it. If you got some construction paper, maybe this will work better. If you use some construction paper or something that's some kind of colored paper, instead of having to color it yourself. But if not, you can always be creative. Color it now or afterwards. Make your own design, your own style. But this is going to be the clothing, the shirt. And there we go. Gotta peel some paper off that. There we go. Now that's good for next time. Okay. Now that we got a nice mess of crayon everywhere, okay, now we're gonna make this guy, we're gonna make him a shirt. Now we're gonna do a fold this side, so I'm gonna fold it in half once, so I got a crease to work with. Okay, now I got a crease to work with. So now I'm going to fold this in to the crease that we just created. Okay, and same with the other side. Just right up to the crease we made. And we're going to unfold it. So we're going to fold it to that other crease we just made. Just like that. And like that. Then we're going to do it once more on that other first crease we made. Right, just like that. So now it should be like this. Right? Now we're going to take this and fold it up. Just like that. Now, turn it over. I'm going to fold this right straight down to the point. Use the center crease that we made earlier. I'm going to fold that right down to there. Just like that. And then there you go. You now have yourself a man and a shirt. And you can experiment with this and do this all different ways. Whoops, I just knocked my light. Now I'm going to add a piece of tape right here. I'm just going to add it right there, just to hold that down. I'm not going to tape these together because you can make all different types of outfits. You could mix and match and do all kinds of things. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And I'm also going to make more videos with different characters, different outfits. So please subscribe to my channel to see more videos like these. Thanks for watching.